मेरा नाम आसिफ सईद हैदर है। आई एम डायरेक्टर UMT सियालकोट कैंपस। ठीक है, आई हैव रिसेंटली मूव्ड फ्रॉम लाहौर UMT। हमारी ऑलरेडी ब्रांच तो नहीं बल्कि मेन ऑफिस UMT का जोहर टाउन में है। वी आर university which enjoys the W4 category. It is a ranking which has been awarded by HEC. We have the engineering programs, we have the business programs, we have a computer science programs, we have social sciences programs, and then we have a commerce program as well. We have a wide range of programs, okay, both at masters, bachelors, MPhil and PhD levels. So we provide a comprehensive, education system to our students, starting from schools known as TKS, colleges known as the Institute of Leadership and Management, ILM, and then we have a university known as University of Management Technology. Formerly it was known as ILM College. We have about more than 4,000 students, maybe 5,000, more than 5,000 students currently enrolled on campus. They are studying in various disciplines, various programs. We have programs in the morning, we have some programs in the evening, and we have a specialized qualified faculty for this education. After serving, more than 22 years in Lahore, we are now moving into other cities so that we can provide education to the students living in a far-flung areas. The students who are commuting from their city to Lahore for education sake, and then they have to bear a lot of cost in accommodation, in hostel and everything. So we have decided to open up a first branch of UMT in Sialkot. Then we have plans to offer it in Faisalabad as well. So we are moving into this direction.
UMT कब से ज़्यादा अपना कर रही है ऑपरेशन?
हमारा सेशन जो है वो जैसे मैसेज सिस्टम में होता है, फॉल से शुरू होता है. फॉल बिगिंस फ्रॉम सितंबर. So we are planning to have our admission campaign completed before this session, and from regular September we will have a classes over here. So this will be the first university, private university in Sialkot. It was very sad to learn that this is such a entrepreneurial city. It's a city of talented people, entrepreneurs, and there was no any university, such a university that could offer the business and engineering programs. So we feel proud to say that we are the first university in this town. And today in the exhibition, which I have seen the students motivation, their interest, it indicates that inshallah we will get a very good response, and we will make a very good admissions as well, and the students and the parents will definitely be very glad and very happy to have a standard education at their doorstep.
UMT के कैंपस किन शहरों में?
अभी हमारा मेन कैंपस तो लाहौर में ही है, ठीक है, जोहर टाउन में. वी हैव आवर ओन बिल्डिंग, अपना कैंपस है. वी आर नॉट लिविंग इन अ रेंटेड हाउसेस. And this is the first step that we have taken. Sialkot is the first, university outside the Lahore, and then we will move into Faisalabad and then Multan and Islamabad gradually.
आपने इस एक्सपो में पार्टिसिपेट किया, स्टूडेंट्स का कैसा रिस्पॉन्स रहा?
मैंने जैसे बताया ना कि इट वाज वेरी इनकरेजिंग.
गुजरात में हो रहा है अभी एक्सपो, और फिर फैसलाबाद में हो रहा है.
जी.
क्या आप उनमें भी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं?
यस, आई एम प्लानिंग कि जिस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स मिला है, आई थिंक वी शुड कंटिन्यू दिस आवर पार्टिसिपेशन इन गुजरात एज वेल. एटलीस्ट वी टेंड टू प्लान टू गो टू गुजरात एज वेल.
Can you mention the website of university?
जी, our website is www.umt.edu.pk. ठीक है, and our vision is learning and our motivation is leading. So with these two inspirational motivations, we are moving ahead. And our rector of the university is Dr. Hassan Sayyid Murad. Then we have a deans in each school. and we have directors in each institution. So it's a big university, and in a private sector, I think we can say that we have earned a very good name, and we have produced a qualified students who are serving in various sectors all over in the Pakistan and abroad as well.
Does UMT offer scholarships?
Yes, obviously the bright students always get a scholarships, and we have a huge spending of our revenue in form of scholarship to those who deserve it and those who wish to get it. Other than this, we have also financial assistance as well. Those who are needy but they still have a very good academic careers, we do offer them the financial assistance as well.
Private universities mostly charge heavy fee to the students. Does UMT does the same?
We are a trust, non-profit organization. We don't mean to make a profit, but we do mean to sustain our expenses as well. Because we have a qualified faculty, we have foreign qualified faculty, we have more than 70 programs. Okay. So in order to sustain and maintain, we have to have a very good faculty. So in a fee, I don't think it's a high. It is competitive.
Anything you want to
I just want to wish the population of Sialkot that, and the message to the parents as well, that UMT is now in Sialkot. This will be a great relief to the parents that they can see their students, see their children studying in the Sialkot in front of their eyes. And students will definitely like to join the UMT rather than going anywhere else if we provide them all the programs that they basically wish to do. And I expect the students will definitely be encouraged, and they will get a good chance to improve their skills, get a good qualification, education, and get a reasonable post in the market.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you very much. Nice meeting with you. Thank you.